celebration. Da 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 da. 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 Wait, they have to talk first.
Oh, Cookie Dough, what will we do?
I don't know, we're just a cat. Come on, get it over with the special effects already. Get us out of here. Let's just climb down and use the stick to get them down.
Oh no, it's too high to do that. Oh great, here comes the fire department to rescue us. Come here, Kitty. And I will use this for you, Jack.
This is the tree scene.
I know. What is that?
I don't know. I think it's a frog. And at the end, they eat it.
Stomp on it. Want to stomp on it?
Yeah.
Okay. Bum, 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 bum. Oh! It looks like it's dead. Want to eat it?
Yeah. I'll do the voice for mine. Let's go climb a tree.
How will we get down?
Simple. We climb.
I don't know how to climb down. We can just use fire departments.
Yeah, but that takes more work.
Oh, come on. Just climb up as high as you can go.
Okay, get in the tree.
Oh, look. Here comes the fire department already. Okay, coming up. Now where's that one?
Right here.
Gotcha! Thank you, everybody.
Scene 5, Scene 6, eating off the tree.
I'm hungry. Want to eat those nutty thingies off the tree?
Sure.
Okay, let's go.
How about that one?
Rip them open. Yummy, yummy. Yummy. Yummy, yummy.
Okay, that was the...
Ready?
This is the song. La 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 la.
La la la.
La la la.
Be your best. Be yourself. Be a giant cat. Be your best. Be yourself. Be a giant cat. That's it.
La la. Wait, there's still more to song.
La
La la la la la la. Okay, that's the end now.